How to set Signal as a default application for SMS for Android. In addition to supporting end-to-end encrypted messages and calls with other Signal users, Signal Android can be configured as your default SMS app. When Signal is not your default SMS MMS app, your Signal contact list will only list other Signal users, and only private messages will be sent or received in Signal. To set up Signal as the default SMS app, do the following. Open the Signal app. Tap on the three dots menu. Select from the menu Settings. Tap on SMS and MMS. Tap on SMS Disabled. Tap on Yes. You can also enable SMS delivery reports and Wi-Fi calling. When Signal is your unified message, in your contacts list both Signal contacts and non-Signal contacts will be displayed. A blue letter in the outside column will indicate it is a Signal contact. Let's see if I receive an SMS directly on Signal. How you can see, I just received a message. This is how you set Signal as a default application for SMS on Android. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.